The Air Jordan 12 is making waves in 2025 with a mix of nostalgic comebacks and bold new looks. Jordan Brand has revived classics like the Flu Game, brought back the underappreciated Melo, and reintroduced the fan-favorite French Blue. At the same time, the spotlight shifts toward younger sneaker lovers with the launch of the Pearl Pink. Past Pink editions such as the 2016 Dynamic Pink and 2021 Arctic Punch failed to truly capture the aesthetic, but this latest pair finally delivers. Dressed in soft rosy tones, it blends pink leather panels, a matching mudguard, raspberry details around the collar and branding, and a vibrant outsole. Marketed as the most authentic pink Jordan 12 to date, the release will be limited to grade school sizing and is set to drop on November 21, 2025, cementing its place as a highlight of the year.